You have to start doing it now. You have a limited time, so what you need to do is go to your Telegram and open your PAWS. Once open your PAWS, what you need to do is, yeah, so click on your open. Okay, guys. Now, once you open your PAWS, now right, the PAWS is being opened. Let's go and reclaim our stolen PAWS by the green something or something. I didn't even remember the thing. So now what you need to do is, was open your PAWS, click on this, your PAWS and Psalms. You can see, click on it and it's going to load. Now once it's loaded, don't worry guys, you will see this first thing here. My own is Mac, so for your own that you have not do it, it will be only this phase. So what you need to do is just click on this angry icon. Once you click on it like this, it's going to automatically mark this. Then the second one will pop out. Just what, click on this one too. Once you click on it like this, then automatically you're going to mark this one too, and the third one will pop out. What you need to do is just click on it. Once click on this third one too, it's going to mark it. That means you upload the tax, and the next one will also pop out. What you need to do is just click on this one too, and this is going to mark. Now the next one, and this is it. What we need to do is, guys, let's listen very well. Whether you're in Nigeria or any other country, and your time is presently is 11:16. So this is what we are going to do. Sorry for this. Now we have to go and change our time. Guys, listen and listen. Go to your phone settings. Now go to your settings and go and, okay, I think I have my phone settings. Yeah, so the hell. So go to your phone settings. Those are in Nigeria, and if you're not in Nigeria, search your Google to Nigerian time 7 a.m. December 25. You have to get the exact time. So I'm going to set my time now. So I'm gonna hold how to set time. I'm going to off it. Then I'm going to set my time, my date to next tomorrow, which is on the 25. Click on OK, and then go and set your time to 7 a.m. So if you're not in Nigeria, make sure you set the time to 7 a.m. Nigerian time. That's West Africa. Sorry for that, guys. West Africa. Okay, AM. Click on OK. You can see. Do not forget, December 25, 2024, the time must be 7 a.m. No matter where you are, make sure you set the time to the exact time I said now. Once you are done, minimize and go back to your PAWS to go and check if it has opened. Let's go back. Where's our Telegram? There's it. Now we're gonna see it, and let's see. Click on OK. Click on open. Alright, those one that we have done is going to still be there. Okay, let's wait. Oh, it's open again. Okay, so guys, don't forget, click on pause and same as, and you can see, and you can see it has opened. Just click on go, and you can see the next one has automatically opened, and you click on go, and that is it. We have successfully claimed all our we lost PAWS. Guys, it's very simple. Don't forget. And the next important thing is, don't change your time. If you change your time, it's going to go back. Just leave your time to the exact time, December 25, 2024, and then 7 a.m. Wait for it, leave your time like that till that time, so that you'll be able to leave it like this and you'll be able to reclaim your PAWS. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.